Now let's move to the question number 9. The diagram shows a sector ABC of the triangle, okay, with center A and the radius r centimeter. The angle BAC is alpha radians. Alpha is less than 1 over 2 pi and greater than 0. It is given that the area of the triangle ABC is 4 centimeter and the area of the sector ABC is 8 alpha centimeter square. Find the exact area of the shaded segment. We need to find the area of this shaded segment. If I consider this point D, so we can say that sector is ABDC and the triangle is ABC. Okay, and we know that the area of the sector is 1 over 2 r squared theta, and in this case theta is alpha. So we can say that area of sector is 1 over 2 r squared alpha. Another information we should know that area of the triangle ABC, which is the isosceles triangle, so the area is 1 over 2 a square sine of theta, and in this case a is radius and theta is alpha. So we can say that area of the triangle ABC is 1 over 2 r square sine of alpha. So we should know these two information. First one is area of the isosceles triangle and the area of the sector. Okay. Now we are given that area of the triangle is 4 centimeter. So area of the triangle, area of triangle ABC is 4 centimeter, and in this case area is 1 over 2 r square sine of alpha is equal to 4 centimeter. R square sine of alpha is 8 centimeter. This is equation 1. Now we will use the information of the area of the sector, which is 8 alpha. So area of sector is 1 over 2 r square alpha. 1 over 2 r square alpha, which is equal to 8 alpha. So we can say that 8 alpha is equal to 1 over 2 r square alpha. Alpha will be cancelled out and we will have r square, which is equal to 16, and in this case r is equal to 4 centimeter. So we have calculated the information of the radius. So we have the information of radius, which is 4 centimeter. Now plug this r information in equation 1 to find the information of the alpha. Plug r is equal to 4 in equation 1. So we have r square sine of alpha is equal to 8 centimeter and r square is 4 square. Sine of alpha is equal to 8 and sine of alpha is equal to 8 over 16, which is equal to 1 over 2. So alpha is equal to sine inverse of 1 over 2. And in this case, alpha is equal to the 0.526 radian. Now we have the information of radius, we have the information of alpha, which is 0.526. Now we need to find the area of shaded region. So we can achieve area of shaded region by subtracting the area of the triangle from the area of sector. So area of shaded region is equals to sector. Area of sector is this minus area of triangle. And area of the triangle is, so when we subtract area of triangle from the area of sector, we can achieve the area of shaded region. So in this case, area of sector is 8 times alpha minus area of triangle is 1 over 2 r squared sine alpha. Now 8 times alpha is 0.526 minus 1 over 2 r squared is 4 square and sine of alpha is sine of 0.526. So further solving, we will have 8 times 0.526 is equals to the 4.1887 minus 1 over 216 and sine of alpha is 1 over 2. So this will be equals to 4. So we have 4.1887 minus 4, which is equals to the 0.1887 centimeter square. So the area of shaded region is 0.1887 centimeter square. Now let's move to the part B. It is given instead that the length of the chord BC is r over under root 2, but the area of the triangle ABC is still the 4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded segment. Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. So this is the chord which has the length which is equals to r over under root 2, and we know that this is equals to a small a and this side is equals to b and this side is equal to c, and we have the angle of a which is alpha. So we need to find the alpha. So alpha can be find out using the cosine formula. A square is equals to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos of angle of A. And in this case, b is r square plus c is r square minus 2r times cos of angle of A is alpha, which is equal to a square given which is r over under root 2 square. So this one is equals to the r square over 2, which is equal to 2r square minus 2r square cos of alpha. Further solving, we will have 2r square cos of alpha is equal to the 2r square minus r square over 2, and this one is equal to the 4r square minus r square over 2. Further solving, we will have 3r squared over 2. On the left side, we will have 2r square cos of alpha. So r square will be cancelled out and we will have cos of alpha equals to 3 over 4 and alpha is equals to cos inverse of 3 over 4. Alpha is equals to 0.723, 0.723 radian. Now we need to value of the r. So we know that it is given that the area of the triangle is 4 centimeters. So area of triangle is 4 centimeter square, and we know that area of the triangle is 1 over 2 r square sine of alpha, which is equal to 4 centimeter square. Further solving, we will have r square sine of alpha is 0.723 equals to the 8 centimeter square. R square is equal to 8 centimeter square over sine of 0.723, which is equals to the 8 over Sine of 0.723 is 0.66143, and this one is equal to 12.094. So we have the r square, which is equal to 12.094, and r is equals to the under root 12.094, which is equals to 3.4776. Or you can say that r is equal to 3.48 centimeter. Now we need to find the area of the shaded region. So area of shaded region is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. And we know that area of the sector is 1 over 2 r squared theta minus area of triangle given, which is 4 centimeter. And in this case, theta is equals to alpha. So plugging value 1 over 2 r, we just calculated, which is 3.48 squared. Theta is alpha, which was 0.723 minus 4. Further solving, we will have 1 over 2 times 12.094 times 0.723 minus 4, and this one is equals to the 4.371 minus 4. So we have the area of shaded region equals to 0.371.